Hi guys, my name is Kashish and मेरे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. So the festive season is right around the corner and if you know me, you know my love for jewelry. And whenever I post my videos, you guys always like my jewelry, compliment it and also ask me for the links. So इस बार मैंने सोचा why not do a festive jewelry haul. और आज हम ये haul करने वाले हैं with the brand Zavia. And guess what? The pieces that I'm gonna show you today are from Zavia's newly launched festive collection. Okay, तो सबसे पहले ब्रांड के बारे में. Zavia एक फाइन 9 to 5 स्टर्लिंग सिल्वर ज्वेलरी ब्रांड है. इनके डिजाइन आर लाइट वेट एंड परफेक्ट फॉर डेली वेयर. एंड एक चीज जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, ये जल्दी से इजीली टार्निश नहीं होते हैं जैसे कि नॉर्मल सिल्वर ज्वेलरी हो जाती है, क्योंकि इन सब पीसेस में एक एंटी टार्निश लेयर होती है जो कलर एंड शाइन को रिटेन करती है फॉर मंथ्स. इसके साथ प्योरिटी सर्टिफिकेट भी देते हैं फॉर ऑथेंटिसिटी. ऑल्सो कैन यू प्लीज टेक अ मोमेंट एंड अप्रिशिएट द पैकेजिंग. It's so cute and gift worthy, and also all of the pieces are packed separately and come in a different box, and it's just packed so beautifully in a light pink box which has everything written on it in silver. It's a beautiful combination. Zavia is one of those brands जो packaging से ही luxury vibes दे देते हैं. Alright, now let's move on and go to my favorite part, the haul. So I have picked up some stunning pieces and मुझे सारे ही इतने अच्छे लगे that I had to come here, show you and do a haul. So without any further talking, let's quickly get started. Starting with this beauty. It's a delicate rhodium necklace. I love how simple yet premium it looks. It can be worn solo or it can be layered with more chains. इसकी finishing is also giving एकदम luxe vibes, and I also love how dainty and delicate it is. Also when it comes to storage, आप लोग के लिए ziplock and airtight bag दिया गया है, so please इसे use करिए. Next are these leaf motif designer earrings, और मुझे nature inspired jewelry बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है and ये exactly वही vibe है. This is how they look. I love this pair. There are leaves and a flower. It's so minimal yet adds so much to the look. Next up, we have the Path of Light bracelet, and honestly, it's one of the prettiest bracelets I've ever owned. It's so good looking and so luxe. It's sleek, adjustable, and literally goes with anything and everything. Office, brunch, date, night out. This one literally works everywhere and looks super pretty. You can also pair it with a watch, or you can just go it like that, or you can stack it with some more bracelets, watches, kadas. But it's literally such a beautiful piece. I absolutely love it. If I had to choose one out of all, this is like my top one. This is my most favorite out of everything that I'm going to show you tonight. Look at this rhodium plated silver solitaire ring. Just look at it. It's so pretty. It looks like a real diamond ring. Sparkle, the finish, everything about this ring is literally so premium. If you know me, you know that I generally prefer very basic and minimal rings, but this one is a perfect blend of glam and subtlety, and I absolutely adore this. Next is the Halo Cluster ring, and this one's a statement piece. If you are someone who likes a little more shine, then this one's absolutely for you. I love how it catches light from literally every corner and it looks super gorgeous in person. It's a very, very beautiful ring. This one's pure love. The heart meets forever bracelet. Rose gold finish के साथ it has a heart design along with an infinity sign and a diamond. Literally made for people who love subtle romance in their accessories. This is how it looks on my hand and I think it's very cute. Also, I think it's perfect for gifting. I think anyone who receives this will love it because it's so cute and also so romantic. Next are these floral rose gold earrings and they are so dreamy. I love the rose gold. I love the floral pattern. It's feminine, graceful, and the rose gold tone adds a soft glow. These can literally be styled every day or on dresses. By now, you might have understood that my style is very dainty and they are super pretty. They can be styled with literally anything and everything to go with ethnic, western, or also just for daily wear or office or again anywhere and everywhere you go. And last but not the least, this beautiful rose gold pendant. It is so chic. You can pair it with basic tops or even kurtis. It's simple yet classy. Just how I like it. Just look at it. It's so pretty. I love this set that's going around. The earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet. Love this entire situation that's going around. It's so pretty. I can't take my eyes off this one. And honestly, I did say to a lot of pieces that these are my most favorite ones, but there's no piece that I can say is my least favorite. Like all of them are so pretty. Like they look so pretty in camera. Imagine how they look in real life. I wish I could really show you that, but in real life they look even prettier. And this one is so pretty, like it looks so beautiful on the neck. So yeah, that was my Zavia jewelry haul. Every piece of jewelry that you saw, uski design और quality बहुत ही premium है. And the best part, इनकी jewelry not only looks elegant but is sturdy and long lasting. अगर आपको भी classy और dainty jewelry पसंद है, you have to check out Zavia. They have a stunning range of premium sterling silver jewelry which are very sturdy and won't lose its shine. Link will be in the description down below. Don't forget to go and check their website out. I am sure you will love it. All the pieces are really pretty and affordable. And honestly, this is an investment. So go and grab yours now. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज लाइक कॉमेंट एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली जिसको भी वीडियो की जरूरत है या जिन्हें ये अच्छी लगेगी. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye. Love you.